3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this video, I will guide you through the steps to fix the issue of the Steam WebHelper not responding. Let's get started right away. First, go to your desktop and find the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. When the Task Manager opens, look for a Steam Client WebHelper in the list. Once you find it, click on it and then click the End Task button at the bottom. After that, close the Task Manager. Next, go to the search box in the bottom left corner of your screen and type Steam. You should see Steam in the search results. Right-click on it and choose Open File Location. This will open a folder with Steam files. In that folder, find the Steam app again, right-click on it, and select Open File Location once more. This takes you to the main Steam folder. Now look for Steam Workspace, which is the Steam application. Right-click on it and select Properties. A new window will open. Click on the Compatibility tab at the top. Here, check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode and set it to Windows 8. Also, check the box for Run this program as an administrator. After making these changes, click Apply, then OK. Close the Properties window and restart the computer. After your PC has restarted, open Steam and you should be able to use it without the WebHelper error. That's how you fix the Steam WebHelper not responding issue. I hope this tutorial helps you. If it does, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.